This is Grookey's evolved form. Great theatrics, guys. Tonight, we're gonna draw Thwackey. This Pokemon got his first appearance on Pokemon Ultimate Journeys. Yeah, it's this new Pokemon episode series involving new adventures, new episodes, and getting a chance to finally meet the legendary Pokemon himself. Yeah. In Pokemon Ultimate Journeys, Go finally gets to be reunited with Eternatus. Great for him. Alexa, play The Journey Starts Today.
Good afternoon. Here's The Journey Starts Today, theme from Pokemon Journeys, by Walk Off the Earth and Pokemon, on Amazon Music.
I chose Thwackey's Prio form as my partner. I'm proud that I decided to add Thwackey to my entourage. Thwackey has 2 sticks. He uses it to double the rhythm. There. I'm proud I got to include this guy. That's how you draw Thwackey. Stegosaurus, see you later. And by the way, Thwackey was one of the first Pokemon I ever got to Dynamax.